How to fix We Limit how often you can post on Facebook app. So if you want to fix We Limit how often you can post on your Facebook app, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And this issue might be because of you posting too much on your Facebook. So what you need to do is just wait for 24 hours, don't post anything, and then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, the next thing you need to do is open up your Play Store, and from the Play Store you need to search for Facebook or Facebook Lite, whichever application that you're using. And if you have any updates on your Facebook, just go and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just simply go back and then open up your apps and tap and hold on to your Facebook. Go with the app info. From the app info section, you need to go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and restart your device. Or you can just simply go and uninstall the Facebook application and then again reinstall from your App Store or your Play Store. And after doing that, you can log into your account and your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.